we are going to take down my 1-month-old braids. Mini braids, medium braids. Looks like mini. Some of them are mini, some of them are medium. Yeah, so we're going to take my braids out today after a month. I'm not going to wash it today, but I just feel like taking it down. So this is how I'm going to do it. If you want to know how I take down my braids, let's just keep watching. Let's go. Yeah, so the braid has been like this for some new growths popping. I'm using this and this. So the batter was meant to give it some slip. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm having a throat problem and I really don't feel good when my videos are silent, but I just had to say something. Yeah, so I go with my tail comb to, you know, unravel the ends, and then I later on did the rest with my hands. Yeah, the comb sometimes also cause breakage if it's not smooth on it, so you have to be using your fingers as well. So the aloe vera in the water was to give it some hydration, and the batter give it some slip so that I can easily unbraid the hair. So this is exactly how I unbraid my hair. Yeah, so I was really feeling myself and the amount of hair I've grown this past 1 month. Yeah, my hair is just going past my breasts, you know. So I was super excited about that. So guys, I really do not want to talk much in this video. Let's keep calm and watch it. This is more like a silent kind of video. I'm sorry about that. I just wanted you guys to testify that I'm having a throat problem, so I really cannot do a lot of voice over here. So I've written some of all the things I wanted to say here, so let's just follow. Yeah, so this is exactly how I unbraid my hair. I'm really gentle about it. Yeah, just that I didn't want to make the video super long, so I just speed it up. Yeah, someone will be like, I'm using too much water and it's going to evaporate and then get my hair dry. That is why I added the aloe vera gel to make it moisturize for some time before I wash my hair. Yeah, so that is how I do take down my braids after a month. Yeah, so let's keep watching, and if you really not subscribed to this channel, make sure you make it a point to subscribe. It took 1 hour to unbraid, and so we'll be detangling now. Yeah, so